Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup for fish cake. We'll begin by crafting a flavorful broth, which is the heart of any delicious soup. For an authentic taste, start with a dashi base using kombu and dried anchovies. Simply simmer about 6 cups of water with a 4-inch piece of kombu and 10 large dried anchovies. Remember to remove the kombu after 10 minutes and the anchovies after 20 minutes to prevent bitterness. Next, let's add some wonderful aromatics to deepen the soup's flavor profile. You'll want to include 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Slice the onion and ginger and give the garlic cloves a light smash before adding them to your simmering broth. Allow these ingredients to gently simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, letting their fragrant essences fully infuse into the liquid. Now it's time to perfect the seasoning, bringing all those wonderful flavors together. Start by adding about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of salt to your broth. For a subtle sweetness and extra depth, incorporate 1 tablespoon of mirin. Always remember to taste your soup and adjust the seasoning as necessary. You're aiming for a harmonious balance of savory and slightly sweet notes, ensuring a truly delicious base for your fish cakes. Finally, let's bring it all together for serving. Once your broth is perfectly seasoned, add your favorite fish cakes and let them simmer for about 5 minutes until they are heated through. Just before serving, garnish your soup with a generous sprinkle of chopped green onions and a small drizzle of fragrant sesame oil. Serve this comforting soup hot, perhaps alongside some spicy kimchi or with a dash of red pepper flakes for an extra kick. Enjoy your homemade fish cake soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.